Yo, bro, close this shit.
Nah, leave it.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Talking Fix Wireless in Newark, New Jersey.
No, not Newark.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Talking Fix Wireless. No, right? Welcome to Talking Fix Wireless. What's up, guys? Welcome to. Let's start again. What's up, guys? Welcome to YouTube. What else you guys want me to say? Nah, we're gonna cut that, right? I said giveaways already? What's up, guys? Welcome to the Talking Fix Wireless YouTube channel. We're gonna start making a lot more videos and a lot more content and posting on YouTube, Instagram, and our Talking Fix Wireless page. We're gonna make unboxing videos. We're gonna show you guys all the new products coming out and what we think about it. We're gonna do the reviews on them. We're also gonna be doing repair videos for our business. As you see here, we're in our Newark store. We have two locations. We have the Newark location, 207 Ferry Street. We also have our Passaic location, 354 Passaic Street. We're also going to be doing giveaways for the products that we're going to be unboxing and reviewing on a monthly basis. We're going to try to do content every week and keep you guys up to date with everything coming out and give you guys our opinions on these products. To win one of the unboxing giveaways, you'll have to subscribe, like, and comment at the end of the videos, and share our posts as well. When you guys do this, you guys have a chance to win a PS5, for example, the new Samsung S11 or S20, whatever they decide to name it, that's coming out. The new iPhone that's going to be coming out. Any products that's coming out. To enter the raffle to win those products, you're going to have to subscribe, like, and comment. So make sure you watch our videos and make sure you guys do those processes so you're able to have a chance to win a free product.
What is up, guys? Ray here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video as much as I did. I know I was laughing so much creating it. So as Wasim was saying, make sure you guys are subscribing, liking, and commenting, because every unboxing video that we're doing, we're gonna give everything away to you guys. So make sure that right now, as you're watching this video, you are liking, subscribing, and commenting below. Remember, we're gonna bring you guys repair videos, unboxing videos, reviews, and anything else that we can think of in the repair and electronics business. We're gonna bring it to you guys. So remember, stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you guys are watching.